One of the unspoken rules about inspirational talks at the beginning of graduation ceremonies is that I have to quote some dead poet. So, since I have to quote some dead poet, I've chosen to quote from William Shakespeare. In particular, I'd like to quote from one of the early histories of Shakespeare, a play called Henry VI, Part 2. At one point near the end of Henry VI, Part 2, there's a group of people who could be called opposition politicians, also known as traitors, standing around in a group discussing what they're going to do when they get political power. And at one point in the conversation, one of the people turns to another one of the people and says, "The first thing we do, let's kill all the lawyers." Now, Shakespeare was wise enough, I think, to understand that one of the central functions of lawyers is to tell tyrants that they can't do what they want to do. We are the people who go to the most powerful individuals, the richest corporations. In fact, sometimes, if we're brave enough, the President of the United States, and say to those people, "You can't do that because it's against the law." We are also the people who are forced to explain periodically that even the most hated, reviled persons in society, petty criminals, flag burners, murderers, even the likes of Ted Bundy, have legal rights too, and the state has to respect those legal rights. It does not make us popular among tyrants, and it doesn't even make us very popular among normal, common, non-lawyer people. But that's okay, because if you're doing your job right, you should be unpopular. Because it will always be unpopular to tell people they should put aside their prejudices and their intolerance and their bigotry and their hatreds and behave like civilized human beings. And if you, the lawyers, don't do that, then it's just possible that no one else will. Welcome to a noble profession. Thank you.